Hey guys, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone's doing great. Teacher Shane has 5 sentence patterns that I'm going to teach you right now. But first, do you remember the words that I taught you in the last video? Family words? Yes, those are the words. We are going to review those words right now. But before we review those vocabulary words, remember to spell the word, say the word. Are you guys ready? Here we go. The first word is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Great. The next word is sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Amazing. All right. The next word is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Great. The next word is little brother. L-I-T-T-L-E-B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Little brother. L-I-T-T-L-E-B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Little brother. The final word is father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. All right. Great job, everyone. Now we're ready to put those words in our sentence patterns. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. The first sentence pattern is brother. Who is he? He is my brother. Very good. The next sentence pattern is sister. Who is she? She is my sister. Amazing. The next sentence pattern is little brother. Is he your little brother? Yes, he is my little brother. Great. The next sentence pattern is mother. Is she your mother? Yes, she is my mother. Very good. The final sentence pattern is father. Is he your father? Yes, he is your father. All right. Great job. Amazing. We just learned our 5 new sentence patterns. Yeah. How do you feel? Do you guys feel proud? Do you feel happy? Of course you do. Now guys, you can play back this video anytime you want, and you can tell your mommy and daddy what you have learned. Thank you guys so much once again for looking at my video, and I will see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye.